Hey again, everybody. It's Paul Rogers here, Renovation Real Estate. Listen, it's interesting when you go out there and you're starting to talk to real estate agents that want to take you out and start showing you a few homes, and you go to your lender, you get pre-qualified, and you find a house in the right neighborhood. You find everything about it's just absolutely perfect. But that house needs a little bit of work. So what does that agent do? They just want to take you off and go show you another house. And what do they normally do is they find out what you're approved for, and they want to show you something a little bit above and beyond that. They're really kind of trying to stretch your finances. And then when you do, again, find that perfect house and it needs a little bit of work done to it, again, these could be simple repairs. They could be everything from an addition onto the house. You could spend, a minimum $5,000 to $10,000, or you could spend $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 on a renovation to a house, and each one of those aspects takes a little bit more into consideration about what you're looking actually to do with the house and how it's going to fit your needs. What I do as your agent, first off, yes, I want to find out what you're qualified for. I have multiple lenders that specialize in these home purchase improvement loans or or renovation loans. So call it what you want. I like to think of them about as a home purchase upgrade type of loan. We're going to call them a renovation loan, but it has a lot of negative connotations, right? Rehab, renovation, it just gives all these misnomers about what this loan actually is and how it actually works. So for that purpose, we're going to talk to you a little bit about when we go out and we find you a house, and when we're looking for a house, and some of my theories are on doing that. And so what I like to do a lot of times is, most certainly when I'm visiting with you, and I'm really low key. And one thing we want to do is we really want to find out what's best going to suit your needs. What neighborhood are you looking for? I.e. school districts, hospitals, accoutrements, infrastructure around you, bus lines, all those types of things. I want to get to know a little bit about you before we actually start to go and look at houses for you to purchase. My ideal also is that if I know what your maximum qualifying number is, I know for a fact that a majority of the houses, I'd probably say well over 90% of the houses out there, are going to need actually some type of work. Okay, what I mean by some type of work, maybe you don't like the paint colors, maybe you don't like the kitchen cabinets or the countertops, or maybe the house needs a new roof, maybe it needs new windows, upgrading the appliances or heating and cooling systems, those types of things. My strategy is find out what you're qualified for, and I want to work backwards a little bit with you, meaning we're not going to look for that house and then try to push you into a higher level house. If I can find you, we can find for you the perfect house that meets all your needs, and it just needs a little bit of work. Then I'm going to explain to you how the renovation program works, the home purchase upgrade, the upgrade loan. And so there are going to be some things that we're going to talk about there. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Talk to you in a minute.